To automatically record calls with unsaved numbers in the phone app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap record calls. Next, tap the gray on offset next to auto record calls until the switch turn screen to turn it on. Tap auto record calls and then select calls with unsaved numbers. With this setting, now your phone will automatically record calls in the phone app if the one who called you doesn't list in your contact list or from unknown numbers. To see recorded calls, tap the back key to go back to the record calls menu. And then tap recorded calls to find all recorded calls. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.